waa kana ani iyo Zizinga madax washka maxana kala qabsaday filinka soo wadno soo eekaan doona insha Allah
okay Somali on
yes hello my lovers my fans in Somalia these are my friends these are your sons from Somalia we are here in Uganda we are comedians I'm happy to be with the Somali comedians these are young Somalis in Uganda we are going to do films everything everything I love you guys
okay Zizunga wait I want to ask you a question how do you see those people to meet today
these guys are good they are good you look at their faces they are good they are going to give you something
Zizinga how do you get those people how Zizinga
guys I'm so happy to meet this can Zizinga in Kampala Uganda National Theatre Zizinga is the one of most
comedian
in Uganda he's a famous comedian in Uganda I'm so happy
so you are happy to see you today
marka waxaan leenahay
Zizu
Zinga subscribe like share comment